Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and his friends. First, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then, I'll divide it into 6 small squares. In the first square, I'll draw Pocoyo. I start with his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Then, I draw the shape of his head. He's wearing a hat. Amazing! Finally, I draw his shoulders. Let's draw Nina. I draw her eyes, her nose, and her smiling mouth. Then, I draw her face, her hair, then her funny hat onto her head. I love my pen. Finally, I draw her shoulders too. Next to him, on the third square, I'll draw Elly the elephant. I start with her eyes, then I draw her elephant nose, the shape of her head, and her 2 big elephant ears. I draw her shoulders and also the straps of her backpack. On the fourth square, I'm going to draw Pato the duck. I draw his eyes, his beak, then his hat on top of his head. Finally, I draw his neck. Next to him, I will draw Loula the doggy. I draw her eyes, her nose, then the shape of her head with her 2 ears. Finally, I draw her shoulders. Last but not least, I draw the sleepy bird. I draw his silly eyes and his beak. I draw the shape of his head and some of his top knot. Awesome! Great job! Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. Then, I use red for his mouth and blue for his clothes. I love my pen. Finally, I add a little yellow here. I color Nina's skin cream. Then, I used red for her mouth and orange for her hair. I color her outfit with this green marker. For Elly's skin, I use this pink marker. I love my pen. Then, I color her backpack straps blue. I color Pato's skin yellow. Then, I use light orange for his beak and green for his hat. For Loula's skin, I use light brown. Then, I color her ears dark brown. I color Sleepy Bird's skin with this aquamarine marker. Finally, I use orange for his beak. Now, let's color all the squares behind our friends with the colors of the rainbow. I color the first square behind Pocoyo orange. Then for the second square behind Nina, I use yellow. The third square behind Elly is going to be green. The fourth one behind Pato will be blue. The fifth square behind Loula is going to be purple. And finally, I used pink behind Sleepy Bird for the 6th square. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.